Hi everyone, my name is Lavanya. I am from East Godavari. I successfully completed my BSc graduation with the stream of computers in Government Degree College, Ramchandrapuram. After my graduation, along with my academics, I selected as an incubation student for Qspiders. Now I would like to share my wonderful experience with the Qspiders. Here every trainer taught every subject very clearly and very effectively. I attended all the groomings and I attended two more placement activities and also I attended board presentations. These are very helped me to crack the job. And coming to HR team is very supported to crack the job. And coming to trainers, every trainer is very unique. And when I got any doubt, and I asked to doubt to my trainer, and they clear my doubt within minutes or seconds when I consider them. Yeah, that's it. And now I'm big thankful to Q Spiders for helping me to build my skills and reach my goals. Thank you.